Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix if your double click is not working on an iPhone. So let's get started. First, understand what double click means. Usually, it's the side button double click for things like Apple Pay or installing apps. So you're going to start by opening your settings application. And then you're going to scroll down and click on accessibility over here and then scroll down till you find the option of side button. So you'll be able to see side button over here. Click on it and make sure that you select either slow or slowest. This makes it easier for your iPhone to recognize double clicks. Next, you're going to go to Wallet or Apple Pay if it is available in your region and make sure double click side button is turned on. And if you're trying to install apps, make sure that your Face ID and Passcode settings allow it. So you're going to go back to settings, scroll down and click on Face ID and Passcode. And you're going to enable iTunes and App Store over here. Now to test it, you can quickly press the side button twice, and if it doesn't work, remove any case or cover that might be blocking the button. And finally, you can try restarting your iPhone or update iOS via settings. So go to settings and then you can go to general over here, and then you're going to click on software update and make sure that your software is updated to the latest version. So those were some of the few ways how you can fix double click not working on an iPhone. So if you found this guide helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.